Friday, 15th of December, 2023. Speed limit's 25 coming into Acworth, Georgia. We got to slow down because they don't play here. We got to get off of 75 because traffic was so bad, and this traffic is a lot worse because everybody else is getting off of 75 too. We got about 15, 20 people coming behind us back through there, and this is taking us right through Acworth. I'm not sure which way our assistant's going to take us yet, but I don't think you can see back through there, back through the window, but you might be able to.
Toward Highway 92 North, Break Acworth Drive.
Yeah, see, she's got us getting on 92 here. We're going to go on through town, let y'all see Acworth. When I started coming up here 20 years ago, half of Acworth boarded up. Now it's a hot little place.
Break Acworth Drive, then turn right on Highway 92 North.
Yeah, we're not doing that. We're going to go on through Acworth and we'll turn left. Because you're showing 75 clear going down once we get back on 75. We'll get up here and turn left. We could go all the way down to Wade Green, but I think we'll take our chance. Catch 92. That's the thing. A lot of times things develop on the way, and everything changes, and then we've gotten caught where we could have gone a different way to start with. And I understand people can't get out all this traffic. You run out in front of somebody. The only way you can get out, hopefully somebody can hit the brakes in time or not going too fast. But yeah, here's Acworth. And most of the traffic turned off back there, so this isn't necessarily traffic like what we're doing, going to get back on 75. This is Acworth traffic. I know some of Georgia's little towns are drying up, maybe South Georgia and stuff like this, but all you hear on the news media is how all of Georgia's little towns are drying up and dying, and like a lot of the stuff on the news, people, I'm going to tell you, that's not been what I see. I've been all over the state of Georgia, and I'm seeing revitalization everywhere, except maybe a couple of those little towns that they talk about. But they make it sound so much worse than it is. I mean, to say that everything's going good doesn't make good news. They've got to dramatize everything and overstate everything. If you're watching the regular news thinking you're getting what's going on in this world, in the country, you are very naive, or very gullible. I hate to run anybody off, but I mean, that's just the truth, because what you're seeing on the news is not news. It is propaganda. Generated for nothing more than to make you watch, just for money. Watch these ads. We'll be back in a minute. We'll give you a headline, and we're not going to tell you about the story of the headline until for another 15 minutes. You got to watch another 3 commercials before you'll see what the story is, and then the story is not going to be half of what we made it out to be, and the other half won't even be true. Dave's Chevrolet used to be down here on the right, now it's over on 41. For anyone that hadn't been through Acworth lately, you won't recognize this part of it. Keep going another couple of miles and it'll take us right through Kennesaw, but we're going to turn left up here at this light here, and we'll go over to 75 and get on, and hopefully it'll be clear going down. get this one over 275, and then we'll start another one going down 75, see how it is. Or we'll start it. I don't know if we'll keep it finished or not. This GoPro Black 10 may get hot and cut off. The phones get hot too. These Samsungs, the S22 and S22 Ultra are the worst, but the S20 will get hot too. I want to start uploading this S22 video before we get on 75. And this will be Highway 92. We could go straight across, but I think we'd get in the traffic over around Alpharetta, in that area there, going all the way through. It's going to be traffic going all the way through on 92. But I think we'll get back on 75. It'll be about 12:40, 12:45. Maybe we can get across 285 before it gets too bad. If 85 is bad, we'll take an alternative. But we need to get across 285. This will be the second video of the day, and again, I want to thank all of the viewers, anybody that views, anybody that subscribes, especially subscribers. I really do appreciate y'all watching. There are a lot of times I have doubt about whether I need to keep doing this or not. I think we'll pull over in that Wendy's and go ahead and start uploading this other video. Then we'll get back on. It's backed up getting over there though. Good grief. Let's go ahead and turn it off. We'll try to start. I don't know if we need to get back on it or not, the way this traffic looks. Let's go ahead and go ahead and cut this off. If we get back on and this clogged up, you see all these people are getting back on. The ramp is clogged up. I wonder if we can get out the back way here and go on down further. I don't like this.
Turn left toward Highway 92 North.
No.
Then turn right onto Highway 92 North.
No, we're going to try to get out of here and go on down Old 41. Can we get out? Can we get out? We could get out there if we can't get out here. When y'all get in the car with me, you're gonna wiggle and you're gonna waggle. There's a nice little pond down there. I bet that's a habitat. There's a nice hawk up there, very tip top to that tree. Okay, well, we're going to keep on going down. I don't know where we'll get on.
200 feet, turn right onto Baker Road.
No, we're not doing it.
Take the next right onto Baker Road.
No.
Turn right after Wendy's.
I told you no. You better listen to me, girl. I said no. Oh, I should have gone. Okay, we're going now. Can we get over? We gotta wait.
500 feet, turn right onto Baker Road.
No, I'm fixing to cut you off. You gotta recalculate. You gotta recalculate while these folks will ever let me over. Okay, I don't know which way we're going. We could go right. I don't know which way we're going to go, folks. I'm not even sure where this takes us out. I used to know, but it's been a while. We're headed south. That's about all I can tell you. On Beaver Road, folks, for 1.5 miles. She's recalculated. She's a sharp chick, but I guarantee you, she will mess with you in a flash. She'll get you turned around upside down and backwards before you know what you're doing. Well, we got some hot dog right on our bumper. I don't know where he thinks he's going on these side streets. And again, I don't know if you can see him back here or not. We hit the brake, he'd be buying us another bumper. Where are we gonna come out at? Where are you taking us, girl? Where we need to turn at? Where'd my directions go? She's got us turning left 7/10 of a mile on Hickory Grove. New homes, how much they start at? From the 400s. Pretty sure I don't have this road. I was going to turn it off back here, wasn't I? But we got diverted. A lot of wood out there. And she's got us turning left up here. Hot dog off our bumper. Gas is 309. I don't know where she's taking us. Do not know, folks. We're just riding along. Shallow road. Evidently we couldn't get on 75 there because it's one of those fast lanes and it's closed. I don't know where we are, folks. Southeast of Acworth, about all I know to tell you. these school signs too, because there's so many of these municipalities now that are photo enforcing the speed limit. If you're just running a little bit over, and if the light's blinking, you need to pay attention to it, because they're mailing out tickets like crazy. We're going to turn this one off in a minute. Hopefully we'll be back at 75 shortly, and it won't be clogged up. But see, that's the thing. By the time we get back to 75, it may be clogged up further down. We may be coming out east of Kennesaw, but I'm not sure. Tell you what's left or right because I don't know. Where are we at? Left on Cherokee what? There's a Home Depot. Oh, I know where we are. I know where we are. We should be getting back on 75. Maybe we can turn left. Maybe we can turn right and get this other one started uploading. Or I think we know where. I think I know where we are. I think 75 is just up here to the left. Yeah, this is Wade Green Road. 75's over here about half a mile. Well, 75's over here about a fifth of a mile, and we already had a hot dog bounce over there where we can't get over. Come on.
I-75 south ramp.
Jack leg.
Quarter mile, merge onto I-75 south.
Well, we're not going to get that other video uploading. We're going to try to get down and across maybe. Okay, let's turn this one off and maybe start another one.